welcome to another Allure box unboxing. This one is for the April box, so we're gonna dive right in here. So here's our little pamphlet. First page, packing list. My family and I piled into our car for a move from Brooklyn to Vermont. There are only 3 of us, plus 2 Siamese cats, but every inch of space was crammed full of jackets, clothes, and children's books wedged between hiking boots. It didn't leave a ton of space for serums and palettes, so thank goodness for this month's box. It's got everything I need for outfitting my new vanity. I can use the shadows and liner for everyday looks or dramatic ones. The eye treatment and moisturizer are my new glowy skin routine. And the hair mask is an indulgent Sunday morning perk. So, first thing in here is the Allure Restore Eye Serum. I'm not sure if this is full size or not. I think it might be. Ooh. This retails for $85. Eye serums are always crazy. So, I have oily eyelids. Me too. A recipe for makeup smudges. Yeah, it is. So I normally use eye cream only at night, but I found that this formula is light enough to use during the day. Even though it's an oil made with hydrating argan and jojoba, there's nothing greasy about it. I warmed 1 dropper full, enough for both eyes, between my fingers so I could apply a thin layer, and gently pressed it between my eyes and along my brow bones. Oh, I thought I was the only one who did that. I put it everywhere like you think of like an eye mask. I place it everywhere that's like that. Anyway, I was left with soft, moisturized skin and no signs of creased shadow or streaked mascara later in the day. Good stuff. Good stuff. Oh, shit. Okay, so it's like a little... Oh, okay. And... Oh, I get it. So you go like that. Oh, that's friggin' cool. That's like the coolest eyedropper I've seen in a while. Ooh, okay. Okay, I see you. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I like that. Okay, so, next thing in the box. Let's see here. We have the... What is this? Mop Pillim Face Moisturizer. I don't know if this is full size or a sample. I want to say probably a sample. Retails for $49. Yeah, there's no way this could be full size. I usually test new skincare on just half of my face so I can see if it's actually doing anything, but this lotion felt so soothing on my dry skin that I couldn't resist using it all over. Its mix of hydrating ingredients, hyaluronic acid, shea butter, jojoba oil, and soothing colloidal oatmeal was exactly what my parched complexion needed. I used a little on my hands, which have been wrecked from washing them about 500 times a day. Same! And the relief was instant there too, and the scent, subtle but fresh, like walking into a flower shop, was its own kind of balm on a hectic day. Just don't make the same mistake I did. After removing the foil seal, I squeezed the tube before putting the top back on, and way too much came out. You definitely want to dispense this through the flip-top lid so you don't waste a single drop. Yeah, that. So, okay, good to know. Next we have, this is by the brand Cella, and it's the La Vie eyeshadow palette. Does it say that on here? It does. This is a travel size version of it. I guess the full size is $45. Let's check it out and look at it. It's Femme Vitality, and our color names are Femme, Instincts, Dynamic, and Vitality. Fun. Okay. I see you. Although now that it's in my hand, I feel like I've definitely gotten this exact one in Ipsy before, but maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong, but looks awfully familiar, guys. Just saying. Seems like all the beauty boxes are really pushing this Cella brand, and I had never heard of them before those, so just saying. So anyway, let's box that back up. I like dusting this warm quads light brown over my lids. It's a perfect base color for my olive complexion and masks veins on my lids like a charm. It's also pretty on its own for a soft neutral look when I'm in a hurry. I've tried a few different quick combos, but my favorite has got to be tapping the deep brown into my creases. It goes on without splotches, and the pearlescent or gold shade on my inner corners. The gold especially gives me a fairy-like sparkle that's strong enough to be picked up on zooms. Aww. Then we have the Aveda Botanical Repair Mask. Yeah, this has got to be travel size. Anyway, or sample size, I should say. Intensive strengthening mask. $44 for the full size. Months of indoor heat took my 3C and 4A coils to another level of dry. Heavy, deep conditioning masks weigh down my curl pattern, but even with serious moisturizing ingredients like avocado oil and squalane, this Avita mask is light. After shampooing, I let it sit on my hair for a few minutes, then detangle. My hair is softer and it's not a struggle to get my comb through. After thoroughly rinsing, my curls are hydrated but not greasy. There's even room for me to use additional products like a leave-in that protects from heat. Good to know. Next, we have this Cargo Swimmables eyeliner pencil. And there's a few shades you could have gotten, either Black Sea, Pfeiffer Beach, or Dorado Beach. Which one did I get? I got Dorado Beach, so looks like this. Probably going to be kind of golden. Let's see. Ooh. Ooh, okay. Alright. Cool. So this retails for $18 for this pencil. As a longtime cat eye wearer, I reserve a special place in my heart for eyeliner. These creamy cargo pencils are waterproof but stay put, but if you work fast, you can blend them out. I like prepping my eyelids with concealer and a shade lighter than my complexion and setting powder before drawing a rough cat eye on top. Perfection is, thankfully, not the goal here because I then blend it out with a dense brush. The jet black Black Sea and metallic raisin Pfeiffer Beach are equally, damn, now I wish I got Pfeiffer Beach, are equally great for dramatic cat eyes and glide on smoothly, which I love because some pencils drag. Ouch! You'll find one of these shades or Dorado Beach shown here in your box. I line my lower lash line, pop a shimmery purple shadow on the inner corner, add burgundy lipstick and blush, and my vampy look is complete. That's a fun combo. I might do that just with ones I have on hand that aren't this brand. Okay. This I ironically bought the full size of, but this is the Hero Cosmetics Mighty Patch Duo. Yeah, I definitely bought the full size box, but anywho. $6.99 for 12, and that's what this is. No matter how dedicated I am to my skincare routine, I get occasional pimples. When I feel one forming, I immediately pop on one of these hydrocolloid stickers. There are two types inside the box. The original, a transparent sticker that won a Best of Beauty award for overnight use, and Invisible Plus. It lives up to its name and can't be seen on Zooms. A lot of stickers slide off, but these don't budge. After 6 hours, I peel it off and my skin is less inflamed without any dryness or lingering marks. Truth, though. Let's see here. Is that it? Oh, I guess the other thing in here is just like a little thing about the eye serum. So I'll read that off. 7 steps to brighter eyes. Number 1, reduce puffiness. Give your eyes a lymphatic massage with a handheld tool like the Herbivore Jade Roller in our limited edition Luxury at Home box. I see yourself promo. Gently roll it over your entire eye area and for a relaxing touch over your brow bones, since we tend to hold a lot of tension in our forehead. Step 2. Add protection. Ingredients like vitamin C and vitamin E can help prevent skin cell damage caused by free radicals. Use an antioxidant serum like the one from Akar in this month's beauty box on clean skin before any other products. Step 3. Don't forget SPF. The last step in your skincare routine should be sunscreen every single morning. Apply it all the way up to your lower eyelids. Step 4. Smooth fine lines. Dehydration can make crow's feet more noticeable. Drink a glass of water before bed and use a silicone-based primer to fill in shallow creases during the day. Step 5. Lighten up. Use a concealer that's slightly fairer and warmer than your skin tone on circles to correct discoloration, illuminate, and make eyes appear bigger. Really? It makes them appear bigger? I'll have to try that. Be gentle. Don't rub your eyes. Ever. Scrubbing off waterproof makeup can worsen fine lines over time because your skin is so delicate. Instead, gently press a cotton pad soaked in makeup remover for 10 to 15 seconds. I would say 20 at a time, and then flip it over and do it again for if you're trying to get waterproof mascara off. Just speaking from personal experience there. Step 7. Renew and repair. Using vitamin A derivatives at night can help reduce wrinkles, increase elastin, and minimize dark spots. But if you're sensitive to retinols, pregnant, or nursing, choose products with peptides to boost collagen production instead. So, that is it for the April box. All good stuff in there, I gotta admit. So anyways, that's it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye!